Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MI Tutorials. I came across a post on one of the Power BI support group asking how can we sum the duration column over here, which is basically lesser than or equals to today's date. So today is 24th August, so they want to sum all the columns, all the values over here which are less than or equals to today's date. So let's get started. We are going to create a measure here, and I'm going to go to the table over here, click on these three ellipses and then click on new measure, and I'm going to give a name to this, maybe some duration less than equal to today, okay, or just call it some duration, okay, and is equals to, I'm going to start writing the DAX here with the calculate function. Okay, calculate sum of my the duration column here, okay, and then I'm going to close the bracket, comma, and I'm going to type in filter and open the bracket. Then it's asking me to select a table, which is my sheet 2 over here, and I'm going to type in comma and then my column name, which is the due date, okay, due date. And then I'm going to say less than equals to today, okay, close the bracket and open the bracket and close the bracket, and then I'm going to close the filter bracket over here and then close the calculate bracket and press enter. Right now let's test this out. I'm going to pull up a card visual over here and bring in the sum duration that we just calculated. So here is the duration of all the so here is the sum of the duration which is equal to today and before today, right. So if we have to test this out, here is the Excel data that I have. So this is the 24th August, and when I sum this, the sum is 27, and here also we see 27. That means that our the DAX that we just created is perfectly working fine. I hope this video has helped you. You have learned something new. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.